Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Dr. Dean. Just checking in on you this week. Hope all is well. Hope you are implementing the tools I've been giving you every week. No sleeping, 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, managing your stress levels, turning the news off, working out, motion, staying in motion, keeping the muscles strong, keeping the joints mobile, eating nutrient-dense foods, and staying hydrated. Hope you're implementing them and just doing a little bit a day, just a little bit. It only takes a little bit to keep you on the right track. It doesn't take a lot. All right. So today I'm gonna give you another tool that you can put in the box. We are now offering the finger stick antibody test for the COVID-19. So we're with this test for is to see if you have antibodies if you have antibodies in your blood, in this case IgM and IgG. So your body creates these antibodies when it's fighting off an infection like COVID-19. So our antibodies is what the body makes when it's fighting off an infection and creating immunity towards an infection. And also this test doesn't test for the virus itself. It's just testing, like I said, it's just testing to see if our body's been exposed and to see if our body is starting to create immunity towards an infection. And the antibodies, like I said, are IgM, which shows up in the blood early in the infection, and the IgG, which shows up towards the end of the infection when we're kind of recovering from the infection. And it also doesn't tell us if you're immune to contracting the COVID-19 again in the future if you test positive for the IgG. So that's kind of still an unknown at this point, whether if once we contract the virus and create immunity, create the IgG antibodies and create immunity, if that prevents us from contracting the disease again if we're exposed to it. That's kind of unknown right now because there haven't been too much antibody testing, so we don't know if you've been exposed and if you have the IgG antibodies and you're exposed to the virus again, if you contract it again and you'll have the symptoms again. That's kind of unknown right now because it's been so little testing at this point. So, but once I find out, I'll let you know. All right. The test is simple. It's like I said, it's a finger stick test. So you just stick your fingers. You put a couple of blood drops on a sheet of paper, let the blood dry, and then you wrap it up, have it shipped to the lab, and you get the results back pretty quickly, within 48 to 72 hours, and it will let you know if you're antibody IgM positive or IgG or IgM negative. And the cost of the test is $150. And you can also have the test done. You could set up a time to have it done in the office, or if you're not able to come to the office and you want the test done, we could arrange for the kit to be sent to your home, and you could do the test on yourself at home. It's pretty simple. Like I said, prick your finger, put some blood on a couple of drops of blood on a sheet of paper, let it dry, and you ship it back to the lab, and the lab will have the results for you in 48 to 72 hours. Again, the cost is $150. The accuracy is a little over 90%, so it's a pretty accurate test. The company in the lab I use is a reputable lab, and so it's been around for years. And so if you're interested, just give me a call. We set up a time for you to come in the office to have it done, or if you want it done at home, just give me a call and I'll give you the website and the practitioner's code that you will need to have the kit sent to your office. All right. So this is our way at Dean Chiropractic. Our goal is to be a part of the solution during this time, and just to keep our community, our patients, our community healthy. And once we start coming out of this, we want provide everyone with the tools to come out on top on the other side of this. So this is our way of giving back to the community and making sure our communities, our family, and everyone is healthy, and just playing our part in during this time. Again, like I said, just give me a call if you're interested in having the finger stick antibody test, and we'll get that set up either in the office or we ship it to you at your house. And if you have any other questions about anything, if I can help you with, just let me know, and And then if you have any questions you want me to answer via video, just let me know. I got a couple of questions that I'm answer a couple on the next video on different things. So if you want me to address any questions you may have, any topics you want me to address during these weekly check-ins, just email me the question you want and I'll give you the answer via the video, because it will be good not just for you but also other patients and people that are interested and probably have the same questions you have. Again, this is Dr. Dean checking in on you. Stay calm, stay happy, stay healthy. Love you guys. Stay well. Speak with you soon.